Hi, Ankit.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay, so how are you, Ankit?
Ma'am, I am good, ma'am. And you, ma'am?
Oh, yeah, I'm good too, thank you. Ankit, it would be great if you turn on your camera.
Oh, turn on my cam. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's fine,
So
ma'am.
it will be a good conversation if, like, we turn on the camera, so that the whatever
Okay,
we
ma'am.
discuss will directly go into our head. So there will
Got it.
be no misleadings between. So okay. So tell me, how is everything going on? How you're feeling? How you're feeling at Masai?
Uh, Feeling at Masai is too excited, ma'am. When I joined the Masai, then I thought that after complete, it's quite going to be easy, but it's not easy, ma'am, because it's hard to understand the question and make the logic.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you facing difficulty as the
Uh,
journey is going on?
yes, I am facing the difficulty visualizing the problem.
Okay.
I'm not able to visualize the problem in a proper way. What the question
Okay.
want to ask?
What about the past sprints? Were you able to do?
Uh, yes, ma'am. I'm able right now. I am in unit one, right? So
Okay.
this is the second sprint. So first sprint is quite easy question, related from
Okay.
the four if condition and conditional statement, right? But
Okay.
as we move in the sprint two, then question related from the arrays and string, ma'am. So it's quite hard to understand.
Okay. Okay then. Let us
Means
just
I know
quickly
that
start.
ki how can we solve through array, but I don't know how to write the code.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine then. We shall quickly move to the question. Okay. Tell me which question you are facing issue with.
Okay. So, ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. You can share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes. Your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this
This
is the
problem.
question, right? You need to
Yes.
array to string. Okay, Ankit, start reading the question. We will go like line by line and we'll understand what is given in the question first. See, whatever it is, if you understand the question perfectly, like half of the problem is solved there.
Okay,
Okay,
sure,
like
ma'am.
logic and everything will come there. Only the solution part you need to work on. If you understand the question perfectly, then solution is not a difficult thing, right? Yes.
Yes, got
Please
it.
start. Please start reading the
Okay.
question.
So, ma'am, I need to read this description, na?
Yeah, 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 you
Okay.
need to.
So, this question said that ki we are given an array of n
Okay.
elements.
Ankit, please permit me to annotate on your
How,
screen.
how can
Just
I?
go to the last three dots is there, right? Um,
Yes.
there you just need to go and click on enable annotation.
Yes. Ma'am, please check once.
Yes. Okay, start.
So, ma'am, we are given an array.
Hmm.
Array is A of n
Okay.
elements, ma'am.
Oh, wait, see. You are given an array. Fine. Array's
Yes,
name is A,
A.
and in that array there are n elements. This is the basic thing you need to understand. Okay, let us move
Okay.
further.
So, we need to write a program that process the elements of the array and generate a strings from the elements present in the array.
Okay. Tell me what you understand from this line.
Uh, Ma'am, this line I understand ki we need to generate from array to string, right? But the thing is, how can we generate
Okay. So we will see that how can we generate. The thing is the array elements are given and you need to convert them to string elements.
a string?
Right.
Yes.
This is the problem that we need to solve it. Now let us go to the next question so that we'll understand how to do it.
Uh, Next line, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So for instance, if the elements of array are
Hmm.
3, 5, 0, 9, and 8, so
Hmm.
the output should be 3, 5, 0, 9, and 8 without
Exactly.
calls.
Okay. Yes. Next.
But in case of the elements are negative, lesser
Hmm.
than 0, then your string should be contain 0 instead of that number.
Okay. Fine. Go to the next line.
So it said that suppose that elements of the array are 2, -4, 6, 8, and -9. So the string should be 2, 0, 6, 8, and 0.
Okay. See. Read the next. Read the next.
Okay. So because -4 and -9 are negative elements, so your string contains 0 instead of that number.
Exactly. See what is happening here. So 35098, for example, 350 and 8, they
Yes.
are an array elements. So that array elements, you're just converting them as a string. So string is what? Set of
Uh,
string is set of characters, right?
okay, ma'am. String
So
is set of characters.
so you're turning these elements into set of characters. This is how you will be converting the array elements into string. So one more condition is given here. If the given element is less than 0, that is negative element, then instead of that number, 0 should be passed into the string, right?
Okay.
So if it is less than 0, we cannot go. For example, if there is a number line, so if this is 0, the numbers which are coming after this are positive elements and here are negative elements, right? So whichever numbers like -1, -2, if any of these numbers are there, we cannot pass them. Instead of all these numbers, we will be passing 0 into that string,
Okay.
right? If
Okay,
positive
ma'am.
elements are there like 1, 2, 3 and all, so we'll be passing these elements as it is. Okay, did you
Okay,
get that?
ma'am. Yes, I get it.
Okay, are you still in confusion?
Uh,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'll explain with one more example. Okay, I'll just
Okay.
explain you.
Yes, ma'am.
See, for example, I'll just tell you. So you're having certain number of x, right? For
Yes.
example, here for let us take for example here. See, this 2 is there, 4 -4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, and -9 is there. Just think these positive numbers are the number of eggs you're having with you, right? And if they are minus numbers, so this is -4, right? So
Yes.
this -4 is nothing but you're expecting your father to give you 4 eggs. Fine.
Okay.
If -4 is there, you're expecting your father to give you that many eggs. If it is positive, you're already having that many number of eggs. Okay, what is my requirement? You need to break all the eggs you have with you already, right?
Okay.
Okay, in the first case, what will happen? How many eggs do you have?
Uh, 2, ma'am.
2 eggs you are having. So how many eggs you can break?
I can break both of them.
Yes, right, you can break
Yes.
both of them. In the second case, how many eggs are you having?
Uh, Actually, I have -4. Means I don't
But
have anything.
you don't have any eggs. So you don't
Yes.
have any eggs is nothing but 0. You are having 0 number of eggs,
Okay.
right? So in
Yes.
next case, how many eggs you are having?
6.
Okay, you are already having 6 eggs, right? So how many eggs can you break?
Uh, all of them.
Yes, you can break all the 6 eggs, right? Next, how many eggs you are having?
8.
So how many eggs can you break?
All of them I can break.
Exactly, you can break all the 8 eggs. So in next case, how many eggs you are having?
Uh, I don't have any eggs because this is a minus, right?
Exactly, right? You're expecting your father to give you 9 eggs, but you do not have any eggs with you. So
Got it.
you do not have any eggs. That is, you're having 0 number of eggs. So you
0.
cannot break any eggs, right? This is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
This is clear. The concept is clear for you.
Yes.
So if it is positive numbers, for example, if it is positive numbers, imagine that many number of eggs you are having and you're breaking that many number of eggs. So if it is minus, you're expecting your father to give you that many number of eggs, and as of now you don't have any number of eggs to break. So 0 eggs you are breaking, right? The concept is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am. Concept is clear.
Oh, concept is clear. So next we shall go to the input format. What is given? Can you read this input format?
Input. So this one, ma'am.
Yes.
So first line of input contains an integer, which is the number of the present in the array.
See, here in sample input one, just scroll up little.
Okay.
See, this is the n, that is the number of elements in the array, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is defining the elements in the array, and next is the elements which are present, right? Shall we go for coding part?
Uh, yes, ma'am, we can go.
Okay, please let us code it.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Can you start coding it? See, for example, I'll say, but here what we need to do, we want a string, right? We want the output in the form of string.
String. We need to
To
convert array
convert
into
that
string,
into
ma'am.
exactly. So let us consider a bag first. Fine. We have a bag here. How can we
Yes.
convert array elements into string? We are having like 2, -4, 6, 8 and -9, right?
Netra, your voice is breaking.
Okay, is it okay now? It is okay now, right? Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am, Netra, ma'am. It's okay now, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Right. So the string is there. Sorry, the string you need to convert to, and this is the array elements. Fine. So 2 is
Yes.
there. Fine, 2 is there. What we will do as a first step? We
First
will
step
check
is
2
yes,
is less than 0 or not, right?
not. Yes.
It is true or false?
It is false,
True,
ma'am.
is it is false, right? This don't work.
Yes.
So okay, instead of this we can just take the example of, in the reverse case we can take. Fine, we will take in the reverse case. Okay, see, is 2 greater than 0?
Two. Yes,
Is
two
2
greater
greater
than
than
zero.
0? True,
Yes.
right? This is true.
Yes.
So what we are doing, we are just passing this 2 into the bag.
Bag.
Fine,
Okay.
we are passing this 2. So 2 is there, so we are passing 2 as the element. So next, what is there? -4. Is -4 greater than 0? True or false?
-4. Not greater than zero, ma'am.
Right.
It's
So we
false.
are, it is false. So we are passing, what we are passing here?
We are passing zero
Exactly. 0 we are passing. Next we
because
have,
I can't break any eggs.
exactly, you can't break any eggs, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason you are passing
Zero.
0. Next, what is the case? 6 is there, right? Is 6
Yes.
greater than 0? True or false?
Condition is true, ma'am.
True. So what we are passing?
We are passing the 6 eggs. We can
6.
break
We are
this all
passing
that.
eggs.
Yes.
You can break all the eggs. The next condition is 8. Is 8 greater than 0? True or
Yes,
false?
this is also true.
So you are breaking all the eggs and you are passing 8, right?
8.
So
Yes.
next is -9. Is -9 greater than 0?
No, this one is false. So that means we need to pass zero, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Exactly,
Understand?
right? Got it? You are
Yes.
passing 0 over here.
Zero.
So first you will pass 2. Later on, as a second step, you will pass 0. As third step, you will be passing 6. As
Six.
fourth step, you will be passing 8. And fifth step, you will be passing 0. So
Zero.
this will come into your bag, and this bag will be your output.
Out.
Okay?
Got it. Yes.
Okay. Now let us code it quickly. Fine?
Yes,
Can
ma'am, fine.
you go for coding? Can you go for coding?
Yes, ma'am. I can go for
Okay.
code part. So first thing
Start.
is, ma'am, we need to take an empty string, right?
Exactly. See, what we were doing, we were having a bag, right?
Bag.
So
Yes.
my bag was empty in the beginning. Nothing was there in that.
Yes.
So what you need to do as a first step?
I can take a bag and this is empty right now.
Exactly.
Hmm.
See, empty means you cannot keep empty, right? Because you want it in the form of string.
Okay.
So you need to declare an empty string before.
Like that, ma'am?
Exactly. So
Yeah,
next.
got it. So next is because according to ma'am your concept, I think I need to go for each and every element.
Exactly. So
So
how can you go?
uh, with the help of loop,
Exactly. You need to take the help of loop. So
yes,
start with the loop.
start with the loop. For loop, ma'am.
Yes, for loop.
And the syntax is it start from where it start. Okay.
See, whenever we are going through the array, whenever we are
Yes, ma'am.
going through the array, So index are the things which will help us to move through the array, right? See the
Okay.
indexing of this. The beginning index we will always consider as 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and later on 4. This is the ending point, and the 0 is the starting point.
Starting.
So
Okay.
from where you need to start now?
I need to start from 0.
Exactly.
Yes. So I need to start from 0, and
Hmm.
then I need to
Go up
go
to the
till
end.
4, na ma'am?
Yes. Till 4 is nothing but what is this?
This 4 is the array dot length. Total length is 5, but 1 less than.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
got it.
Got it right?
Array,
Hmm.
yes, dot length.
Okay. See, and then every time, after checking this 2, you are moving to this 4. Later you move to the 6. So every time you will be incrementing by 1. So what should
Okay.
be the next condition?
Increment, ma'am. I need to
Exactly.
increment my I value by 1.
Exactly.
So
Fine.
plus plus. Yes.
So now what is the condition given?
Uh, Condition is ki we need to check कि this element is greater than 0 or not, I guess.
Exactly. Yes, please check that condition.
If I is greater than 0, then
See, Ankit, there is one small mistake in this condition here. Can you figure it out? What is the mistake?
mistake is um,
Okay,
I think
let me tell you.
everything
See,
is fine.
indexes are the like indexes like 0, 1, 2, 3 are there, right? These are the
Yes.
indexes. But we want to check with this 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. These are
Okay.
array elements, right?
Got it.
So what just think what to do over there.
That means if these are the array elements, so array is present at 0 index, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. You need
So
to check the I value at array element. You need to check the array element of that I.
that
I
means
value.
I need to write I value, or I need to
Exactly.
write 0.
No, no, no. You cannot pass like 0, 1, 2, 3 like this.
Okay, got
Because
it.
you need to
Yes.
loop through all the elements, right?
Yes, yes, got it.
Yeah.
This one, ma'am. Yes.
So is that correct? Whether you need to check if your array of I is greater than 0?
Uh, yes, this is correct.
Okay, just move forward. Let us check.
How can we check, ma'am?
See, like the condition is there, right? If the element is less than 0, then you should pass back with 0,
Okay, got that. Means I
right?
need to change the condition.
Exactly. Exactly. Yes.
Yes.
Now, if this is the case, you need to pass the value of 0 to the bag. You need to add back with 0, right?
So
Yes, please.
that means in my bag,
Yeah.
I have to add 0.
Yes.
So in my bag, I have to add 0. Bag में add करना है so that I can write
Yes.
bag. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So what if in the other cases? So what you have defined, you have written the case of less than 0. So
Ma'am,
you need
can
to
I
give
write
an
in string?
yeah, definitely you can write.
Okay.
No issues.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. You need to specify it for other elements also, right?
Okay, that means ki this is only working for the negative element.
Exactly.
Okay. Or let us suppose ki okay, got it. Means ki if not less than, then we have to add the same number, I guess.
Yes. Exactly.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Got
Clear
it?
all the
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Please,
So,
please write that.
so how can I write it?
Yeah, write it quickly.
As in the else condition, I can write.
Yes, yes. In the else condition, you need to write.
So in my bag, just simple, I need to write. What can I need to write? Okay, same element means array of 5. Yes,
Exactly.
ma'am.
Right? Now what you need to do, you need to print that bag.
Hmm.
Yeah, can you please print that?
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, just see, you're declaring bag outside the for loop, and you need to print the bag also outside the for loop only. You cannot print it inside the loop.
Okay. That means at line number 15.
Exactly.
And this is bad. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just run the code.
On the code. Mm,
area radius
it's not.
1.4 है 2.8 का आधा करेंगे
What is happening?
No idea, ma'am.
मैंने मतलब निकाला इसका आंसर बताइए पहले वाले उसमें नहीं है मैंने नहीं मतलब इसका आंसर क्या आया था
Oh, just refresh.
ये वाले का
Okay, ma'am.
जो हाफ है अरे वो वाला ये
Okay.
हाँ
Login. Yes. I was logging in some other website.
Okay. Just can you run that?
Yes, yes. I run this. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are we getting the right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the
I-
right answer, and this is what the required output is. Okay.
Can I submit, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely can submit.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. Got
Now
it,
I
Ankit?
got the logic also. Yes, completely.
Okay. Now let me share the screen, and quickly you will guide and I will code it as quick as possible. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let me share the screen then. Can you share me the code quick? Like assignment link quickly.
Assignment link. Sure.
Quickly.
So, in the chat box.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done.
Yes.
Let me share this screen.
3.4
Okay. Can you tell me what is the first step we need to do?
First step, we need to take an empty bag, ma'am.
Exactly. Let bag is equal to an empty string we need to take.
Yes.
Later on what we need to do?
Run a for loop.
Exactly. For let I from
Start from 0.
Hmm.
And it's goes till array.length.
Okay. And every time?
Increment, we have to increment.
Okay. So later on what I should do?
Now we have to check the condition. I think if my array of I less than to 0, then
Then
in my bag I have to add 0. Yes, ma'am.
Right. So
Yes.
what if in the else condition what we need to add?
We need to add the same element.
We need to add the same element, right?
Yes, means array of I.
Right.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. And we need to print the bag.
Print my bag.
That's all?
Yes.
Is this correct?
This is correct. Yes, completely
Okay,
correct.
shall we run it?
Yes, ma'am. Please run it.
Okay. Okay, we are getting the answer, and I think you got the concept also, and I
Yes.
hope you're happy with this concept.
Sure, ma'am. I am happy.
Okay, Ankit, I think your doubt is clear, and we are running out
Yeah.
of time. Let's end the session. So tell me, if you have still any doubts, please book another pair programming session. So once again, I'm asking, are you clear with the concept?
Yes, ma'am. I am clear with the concept. I understand the logic and everything. Thank you so much. And
Okay,
the
Ankit.
best thing is ki when I when I tell you ki you have to do this thing, so this code will comes in my mind and I can't forget, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Ankit, then let's
Thank you so
end the
much, ma'am.
session. Okay, thank you, Ankit.